It's good.
It's drama here. Here I'm crossing one of the largest rivers of Laos, the Mekong. And we've been trying to load this bike onto this little boat. And what happened was the wood is so rotten, as you can see here, the rear wheel just broke through. And it nearly sank into the Mekong. And I'm not even halfway through my tour. And we had to really work hard to raise the bike back. Now we are on our way. And I'm hoping that it will not happen again.